everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make resin coasters with dried flowers. I have taken the ratio 3:1. Mix it until the mixture is clear. I'm going to divide it into two bowls, one for pink and one portion for the gold leaf that I will be adding. Slowly pour the mixture in the mold. Now carefully place the flower in the center. Ta-da! Your coasters are ready. If you like this video, do like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.